You guys have lab processing, right? And lab testing.
Yes, we have a small lab. It's very helpful for us because it gives the customer an opportunity to see, is this the right piece of equipment for the job? We've had a few tests where something's happening, but it's not getting there as fast as we want it to. What can we change in variables to improve the process time? You
Right.
learn that up front relatively cost effectively versus, oh, I just spent $250,000 on this piece of machine and I can't get where I need to be.
I think it's interesting that the customer comes to you, and in some cases, they don't even understand the product themselves well enough to know how to mix it properly, or with ball mills specifically, how to grind it properly. I had not thought about that as being an advantage because I got to imagine if a CFO that's trying to make this big capital decision and can validate that the machine does exactly what they want, it should be part of every process.
And sometimes we've been doing this for years, right? We've been processing in it this way. We don't know what the new technologies are. We want to scale up, but we don't want to take any risks either. But times are changing, things are getting faster, improvements need to be made because everything is costing more, and we're trying to whittle out any excess in cost. From our aspect, we're tied really closely with the manufacturer. We tie in our design formula, incorporate standard practices, and make improvements so that we're more efficient actually building the equipment for the customer.